Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure the keyboard has power and a solid connection, then open Device Manager, Win+X right arrow Device Manager, to observe the keyboard entry. Look for warning icons or error codes and record the exact device name and any code shown. This matters when matching drivers. Once done, disable any secondary input devices to isolate the problem and create a restore point so you can revert if an update causes regression. You now remove and replace the suspect driver. Right-click the keyboard in Device Manager and choose Uninstall Device. If prompted, check Delete Driver Package to force a clean reinstall. Next, get the correct driver from the keyboard maker or let Windows Update fetch a WHQL sign driver. This avoids mismatches. If the regular install fails, boot into safe mode and run the installer there, because safe mode prevents interfering software from blocking driver files and ensures a clean write-to-system folders. You finish by confirming the fix and preparing a fallback. Run the Windows Keyboard Troubleshooter to apply common fixes automatically, then review Event Viewer under System for persistent driver errors and note any repeat codes. If problems persist, roll back the driver in Device Manager or test the keyboard on another machine to rule out hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: swap USB ports or cables before buying parts. Many so-called driver errors are actually intermittent connection faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.